Good morning, class 2. So in today's class we're gonna learn something about fraction. So what do you mean by fraction and how to represent fraction? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what is fraction? Fraction represents equal parts of a whole. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part of a fraction of a whole. So in the definition it says a fraction represents a equal part of a whole. So let's take an example. Suppose I have a circle like this, okay, and this is represented as a whole, and if we divide a whole into equal parts, okay, let's say if we divided this whole into 4 equal parts, okay, so each part is a fraction of a whole. That means these 4 parts are a fraction of a whole. So how we can write this in a fraction form is so we're gonna write this into a fraction form. So it will be like 1 by 4. Why 1 by 4? The whole is being divided into 4 parts, that's why it is 4. And so this is your 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. okay, this number is called numerator and this number is your called denominator. Okay, denominator. Okay, I hope you have understood what do you mean by fraction and what are their parts. Okay, equal parts. So let's do some other questions similar to this. So okay, these are my circles. Okay, these are the circles. So we have to divide this into a fraction form, which is written here. Okay, so let's start with the first one. In the first one we have a whole circle and even the rectangle is whole. Okay, so there is a number 1 means a whole part, so we don't need to divide anything over here. But in the second figure we have 1 by 2. So what we have to do is we have to divide this whole into 2 equal parts. So I'm gonna draw this line. Okay, so both are equal size, and I'm gonna draw this rectangle into also in both equal size. Okay, so here the condition is correct. Okay, then the third one we have 1 by 3. So what we have to do is we're gonna divide this into 3 equal parts so that the fraction is being fulfilled. Okay, so 1 by 3 means the whole has to be divided into 3. So we have to divide this circle into 3 parts. We'll do this to here also. Okay, so we have 3 equal parts over here, and so this is very easy. Now you can easily guess what is gonna be here. Okay, 1 by 4 means the whole is being divided into 4 equal parts. So like this. Okay, 4 equal parts, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have even divided the rectangle into 4 equal parts. Okay, I hope you got the some idea about the fraction. So I'm gonna give you some work. Okay, this will be your class work, so you have to do this by your own. Okay, there is 1 by 5. Okay, you need to divide this thing in the 5 equal parts, and you have to divide this as well in the 5 parts. So this one is also there, 1 by 6. You have to divide this into 1 by 6, this one into 1 by 8. Okay, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, and 1 by 12. Okay, these 5 fraction has to be you have to do it by your own. Okay, so I leave that to you. So the lower number is called denominator and the upper number is called numerator. Okay, thank you class, that's all for now.